Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review another of my fab bags. So this month's fab bag just got in and I'm super excited to see the bag and the products inside it. Before starting off with this video, I just want to let you know that fab bag has kindly sent me a 10% off code for all my viewers. If you are signing up with them for a 3-month, 6-month or 12-month subscription, you can use my code which is here to avail a 10% off on your order. This is how my bag looks like. I believe they have one more color which is yellow, I think. Mine is a reddish coral color and I'm absolutely loving this scallop detailing here. This doesn't have a zip, it has a button here. This is their anniversary edition and this is called the Ultimate. Fab bag has turned 8 this year and I'm really excited because I'm one of the oldest customers of them. So this month's bag has to be special. That is why they have included 5 full-size products. All of the products inside this month's bag are full-size. Now let's start with the first one, which is the coconut water hydrating sheet mask. This is from Palmer's and I really love this brand. I just received a sample from them. I absolutely love how they work on your skin, also the smell of them. I'm really excited to try this one out. This is a hydrating sheet mask for an instant boost in hydration and radiance. I'm really looking forward to trying this out during the colder months. This has one sheet mask and the price is $305. Second, we got a shower gel. I love receiving shower gels in my fab bag. I really love shower gels. They are so aromatic that it's kind of like self-care for me. This one is from the soap company India. I have been seeing a lot of their products on Instagram and they have a lot of shower gels, like a lot of flavors, a lot of other fragrances. So this one is in the flavor musk and this is a 100 ml bottle which you can carry to anywhere you go very easily. It is very travel friendly. It's a plastic bottle and very sturdy. Also they come with a stopper inside, so no spillage, no leakage, and the price is rupees 250. So let me get a sniff of this. Quite a job. It's like a citrusy smell. Very cool. I'm also excited for this one. Next, I've got to choose one product from Global Beauty Secrets and they had this face wash and a shampoo and conditioner, and I chose the shampoo and conditioner because I have been trying a lot of face washes these days, so I wanted to try something for my hair, something new. So this is the product inside this box. This is a combo of shampoo and conditioner, so this is a 2-in-1 product. And the smell is extremely good. This is called the Turkish shampoo and conditioner with rose and mint, and it smells exactly like rose. Smells like rose water, fresh rose water. I'm really happy to receive this because this is 100% vegetarian, great for my vegan friends. Then this is recyclable, cruelty free, this is paraben free, sulfate free and silicone free. So this is going to be a great pamper product for your hair. This is something new for me because I haven't tried anything that is a shampoo and a conditioner both. I am going to try this one out and I'm definitely going to review this and share it with you guys. This is another full size. This is a 100 ml pack and the price is 800 rupees. Quite expensive. Next I got this Sugar Matters Health crayon lipstick which comes with a free sharpener, and this is Lilian Rose 30. You guys know how much I love sugar crayons. I really love them. I own 4 of them. 3 of them I bought and 1 I got in my fab bag, and then again I have another one in this month's fab bag which is Lilian Rose, and it is a beautiful bright fuchsia pink color. I don't own anything like this. I am mostly buying nudes these days, so I wanted to just change the track and try something really bright, bright colors. Once again, this is a full size product and the price is 899 rupees. Second is another lip product and we got to choose both the lip products ourselves. I chose the bright fuchsia color for the lipstick, like the lip crayon, and for the lip liner which is from Brick, I went with another fuchsia color to go with that lipstick. So this one is called Fuchsia 01 and this is how it looks like. Sleek black packaging, glossy black packaging, and the color is this, which exactly like this. So these two goes really well with each other. I really love this. Also, I didn't own any like bright pink lip liner, so I wanted to have one in my kitty, which is really essential with your pink lipsticks. And this one is a full size, as you can see, and the price is 349 rupees. So that was it for the September Fab Bag, which is the anniversary edition of Fab Bag, and I absolutely loved all the products and I'm really excited to try all of them, and I will definitely share the review of the shampoo and the conditioner with you guys very soon. Let me know which product you are most excited about and how you like this month's Fab Bag. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and also please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.